Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start a Ford Fusion Hybrid. First, locate the 12-volt battery, which is typically in the trunk. Make sure both the disabled Fusion Hybrid and the assisting vehicle are completely turned off. For your safety, it's always a good idea to wear protective eyewear and gloves before you begin this process. Safety first. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one end of the red positive jumper cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Fusion Hybrid's dead 12-volt battery. Then, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Double-check that all connections are firm. Next, we'll connect the negative cables. Attach one end of the black negative jumper cable to the negative terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. For the other end, find an unpainted metal surface on your Fusion Hybrid, away from the battery, like an engine bolt or chassis point. Do not connect it directly to the dead battery's negative terminal. With all cables connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to charge the Fusion Hybrid's battery. Then, try to start your Ford Fusion Hybrid. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order you connected them. Remove the negative cable first, then the positive cable. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.